Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top 5 new useful kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The OXO Good Grips. Large Salad Spinner is a top-quality kitchen tool that delivers excellent performance for all users. With product dimensions of 6 into 10.5 into 10.5 inches and a light item weight of 2.5 pounds, this unisex salad spinner is easy to handle and store in any kitchen setting. Manufactured by OXO, a trusted brand known for its durable and innovative kitchen products, this salad spinner bears the ASIN B00004 ACAR and the item model number 32480. It originates from China and has quickly gained popularity among customers worldwide, with an impressive customer review rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 39,789 ratings. This salad spinner has secured its position as the best seller in the salad spinners category and holds the rank of #38 in kitchen and dining on the market. Its consistent positive reviews reflect its high quality, functionality, and user satisfaction. Notably, the OXO Good Grips Large Salad.
The Hi-C Kitchen Crinkle Cut Wave Slicer French Fry Vegetable Cutter, manufactured by Hi-C Kitchen, is a professional-grade kitchen tool that effortlessly transforms ordinary vegetables into decorative crinkle-cut waves. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel blades, this slicer ensures precision and durability in every cut. The sleek black handle, also made of stainless steel, offers a comfortable grip for easy and safe slicing. The plain blade edge design guarantees clean and consistent cuts, making this cutter a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing salads, garnishes, or homemade French fries, the HIC Kitchen Crinkle Cut Wave Slicer delivers exceptional results with ease. Ideal for home cooks and culinary professionals alike, this tool elevates your culinary creations with its efficiency and precision. Elevate your food presentation and culinary experience with the HIC Kitchen Crinkle Cut Wave Slicer today.
The Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers efficiency and convenience for all cooking enthusiasts. This product, designed by Hamilton Beach, stands out with its special feature, a large feed chute. With dimensions of 8.5 inches in diameter, 10 inches in width, and 16 inches in height, this food processor is compact enough for easy storage, yet spacious enough to accommodate a variety of ingredients. The sleek black and stainless steel design not only adds a modern touch to your kitchen, but also ensures durability and easy cleaning. The 10-cup bowl capacity is ample for processing large quantities of food, making meal preparation a breeze for individuals and families alike. Whether you are chopping vegetables, pureeing sauces, or mixing dough, the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper delivers consistent results with its sharp blades and powerful motor. The intuitive design allows for effortless operation, making it suitable for both.
This Good Cook Can Opener Safe Cut Manual. Can Opener presents a reliable solution for effortless can opening in a sleek black design. Made from durable stainless steel, this can opener from Good Cook guarantees longevity and efficient performance. The ergonomic design of this manual can opener ensures a comfortable grip and smooth operation when opening cans of all sizes. The stainless steel blade is sharp and sturdy, effortlessly gliding through can lids with precision and ease. With its compact size and user-friendly features, this one-pack can opener is a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you are a cooking enthusiast or looking for a dependable tool for everyday use, the Good Cook Can Opener delivers on quality and convenience. Overall, the Good Cook Can Opener. This KitchenAid large-capacity, full-size, rust-resistant dish rack is a reliable and practical addition to any kitchen. Made from durable stainless steel, this dish rack is built to last and resist rust, ensuring long-term use. The product dimensions of 14.96 inches in diameter, 20 inches in width, and 7 inches in height make it suitable for accommodating a large number of dishes and utensils. The KitchenAid brand is well known for its quality kitchen products, and this dish rack is no exception. The gray color adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, while the recommended use for the kitchen makes it a versatile item for everyday use. Whether mounted on the sink or placed on a tabletop, this dish rack offers flexibility in its mounting options. At 3 kilograms in weight, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. The weight limit of 25 pounds ensures that it can safely support a significant number of dishes. The adjustable feature allows for customization based on individual needs.